As an insurance agent, connecting with potential clients through cold calls is a vital part of your job. However, many agents find speaking to prospects on the phone daunting. Cold calling can present several hurdles: the fear of rejection, the challenge of making a personal connection, or simply the mechanics of completing a successful call. In this video, we will provide practical tips to help you overcome the struggles of cold calling. Let's get into it. A well-crafted sales script is an indispensable tool and your best friend when making cold calls. It provides a framework that ensures you cover all critical points. It keeps your message consistent and concise, which is very important when you're also trying to be speedy and not waste your client's time. It also serves as a safety net when words escape you, ensuring that you can convey key information even if you're thrown a curveball. One common pitfall in cold calling is
rushing into the sales pitch too early.
Prospects often need more time to understand who you are and what you're offering before they're willing to consider your product. Clients may try to rush you off the phone, making it difficult to get a word out. Rather than prematurely pitching your product and fighting resistance, focus on asking them questions. Gathering information about a potential client and offering to send them tailored information that addresses their specific needs can significantly increase your chances of securing a follow-up call or meeting. Voicemails can be an excellent tool for making a positive impression and encouraging callbacks. Many agents make the mistake of trying to sell their product in a 30-second voicemail, which rarely results in a callback. Instead, keep your message brief and intriguing. State your name, who you're affiliated with, and that you have important information to share. Personalize your message. Use the prospect's name, and if possible, mention something specific about their situation. This will make you sound well-informed and make them curious about how you can solve their problems. There you have it. 3 quick tips to help with your cold calls. Want to hear more tips and learn how to master the art of the sale? Give us a call at 888-539-1633. And as always, if you're interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel to put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone.